Toopy, Toopy, Binoo, Binoo. Toopy and Binoo.
Toopy, that's me! And here's my friend Binoo. We love to laugh, we love to play. That's us, Toopy and Binoo.
Toop toopy, toopy tapoo. Ba-doop-a-doop-ba, ba-doop-a-doop-a-doop-bum. Hey, look at those duckies float. They're so cute, so graceful, so pretty. I'd love to be a duck. Wouldn't you, Binoo? Yes? Well, come on then. Look at me, look at me. Look at me. I'm a cute little duck with such nice little wings. Watch me float! I'm really graceful, don't you think? It's so cool! Being a duck is the most fabulous thing I ever dreamed of! I think I could float forever. What's that? I hear quacking. I can quack too, you know. Listen to this. Quack, 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 quack. Quack! It's so cool! Hey, look! It's a polar bear. Check her out. She's jumping and... This is so amazing. I want to be a polar bear. Oh, Binoo, we're polar bears now. Come on, let's go. And Mrs. Bear, yoo-hoo. Hi, my name is Toopy, and I'm a polar bear too. I can dance and spin and talk all at the same time. Look at me, look at me. I'm moving my arms to the music. Aren't I talented? I'm spinning like a top. Wow! I am such a fabulous polar bear. Binoo, look. A floating elephant! Wow! He looks so happy. I want to be like him. Hey, I'm happy too. Follow me, Binoo. Hi, my name is Toopy, and I'm an elephant just like you. And this is Binoo. Binoo, this is Mr. Floating Elephant. Hey, what is he up to? Wow! Nice splashing, Mr. Floating Elephant. Did you see that, Binoo? Let's try it. Look at me now! I'm a squirting elephant! Oh, I just love being the floating elephant. Don't you? I don't think there's anything better you could... Binoo! Check him out! It's a beaver! I want to be like him! I'm a beaver! The greatest beaver ever! Oh, look at you, Binoo! You're so cute! Give me a high five! Being a beaver is so simple. All you have to do is chew. Chew, chew, chew all day long, chewing while I sing this song. Look, a stick. There it is. It looks delicious, huh? Come on, let's try. No. Maybe I don't want to be a beaver. I would like to be, Hey, wait a minute. Look, Binoo, you're so beautiful. And look at me. I want to be me. It's fun to be somebody else, but the best of the best is to be me. I wish everybody could be Toopy. Wouldn't that be the best? Hey, look, Binoo. It's a frog. You know what? I'd love to be a frog, wouldn't you? Well, come on then.